create your watercolor ink blot, you will need watercolor paper, watercolor paints, brushes, the fluffier the better, a cup of water, and paper towels for cleanup. The first step is to fold your paper in half, preferably hamburger style. Now unfold your paper. Choose one side of your fold to paint on. Make sure to get your brush pretty wet before choosing a color to allow the paint to drip onto your paper more easily. Make as many dots as you want all around the side of your paper. The more colorful dots you have, the more interesting your results will be. Once you've covered your paper with paint dots, you may want to go back and add a few drops of water to some areas where your dots are smaller, more spaced out, or you want them to blend together better. When you are ready to test it out, take the clean side of your paper and fold it over your painted half. Gently press and smooth over your paper to make sure that the paint transfers. If any watercolor gets on the table, be sure to wipe it up. Then it is time to gently open your paper and see your results. At this time, you can always go back and add more colored dots to enhance any areas that you feel need more color. Now you can make your very own ink blots. Here's an example of what your piece might look like if you use a greater amount of water. Your colors will blend together more smoothly. To create a more separated effect with your paint, use less water, like I did in this piece. Using experimentation, there are endless possibilities of the ink blots you can make, and I hope this video has helped you to create your own.